here at Pacific Nature Reserve, and I'm looking for a spot. I kind of like how this road is leading in and out of shadow. We'll see if we can find something with that. I'm kind of attracted to how this path angles through, and I think I might cut out this branch that's cutting my way, but try to feature this tree. I like that there's kind of this near tree that's in shadow and the shadows that are cast across the pathway. I've got a toned canvas, toned with burnt sienna. And then I'm trying out a simplified palette today. I'm going to do Prussian blue, which is kind of a new blue that I'm still getting used to, cadmium red, cadmium yellow, and titanium white. All right, here's the sketch. I've laid it out I did this really fast, maybe in like 2 minutes, just using the Prussian blue watered down with my medium liquid and some mineral spirits. And now I'm gonna start blocking in the sky and see what we can accomplish. So I've kind of mixed in some shadow colors for the background. And now what I wanna do is I wanna mix more of a bluish green so that the foliage in the background kind of recedes using atmospheric perspective. So if I mix some of this cadmium yellow and Prussian blue, I get an extremely strong green. I'm going to need to cut that down with the red and maybe a little bit more blue. And let's tint it with some white. And I think it's still too strong, so adding more red in. Add some medium. And it's still very dark, so let's add some more white. I think that's about right. I might add some more yellow back in. I think that might work. Let's see what it looks like on the canvas. Yeah, I think that'll work. There's my scene. There's a finished piece. I tried to use the palette knife to sort of suggest different textures here, but not too many, and I really love like these thick blotches of paint. I think my favorite part is these highlights coming in here, and this is with the palette knife as well. And just trying to get a variety of textures. And I like how the eye kind of leads you in. So overall, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out.